We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.